Why does everybody love open hair? Even though it's uncomfortable sometimes, even though we get shy. The truth is, we know deep inside that we look gorgeous, and I mean it. Maybe for once in our lifetime, we might have thought by looking at others, say, wow, that looks good. You know what? I can pull off that hairstyle. But in reality, it never really worked. If you had any of these thoughts, you're not alone. So let's solve this mystery right now. Alright, let's get into the first part. Cut your hair. I know this is hard as majority of people prefer long hair, but trust me, this works. It absolutely works. Now this is what happens when you cut your hair. You will understand the weight of your hair. This is important to know as it can make you understand how much of your open hair are you willing to carry. Let's take me for instance. I prefer short or medium hair rather than long hair, as I know this is the amount of hair that I am willing to carry. Now you should be able to understand how much of your hair are you willing to carry. Cut your hair to medium length once, observe it. How do you feel? If you're anything like me, you will definitely feel like a burden is off your shoulder. Now let's talk about the science behind cutting your hair every 6 to 8 weeks once. It prevents split ends. It promotes hair growth. By trimming your hair, you're removing the often most damaged parts of your hair, which in turn maintains the vitality and the overall health of your hair. Number 2, choosing the right hairstyle. We all have different face shapes, and choosing a hairstyle that complements your face shape can enhance your overall appearance. If you're not sure what hairstyle suits you, visit a hair salon, ask a hairstylist to recommend you a hairstyle, and try the recommendation for the first time. See how you feel about that. And you can also try practicing by parting your hair in the middle, the right side, and the left side. And to help you a little more, use this picture to determine your face shape and try these well-known hairstyles. I'm also linking down an article below in the description box. If you're interested in checking out other hairstyles, please check it out. Number 3, use hair products. Wash and condition your hair to ensure it looks fresh and healthy. If you're not using conditioner already, make sure you use one after shampoo. Using a small amount of hair serum or leave-in conditioner can add shine and manageability to your hair. Now I'm going to show you a video example of how your hair looks with and without serum.
This is my hair without any serum. As you can see on the right side, I'm applying hair serum, and you can instantly see the difference on both sides, that the left side of my hair without serum looks dry and bushy, whereas my right side of my hair with serum looks soft and shiny and more put together. Your hair becomes more manageable when you use serum.
Now you see the difference. Number 4, style your hair. No matter what hairstyle you might have gotten at the hair salon, it fades away the moment you wash your hair, and it's a known rule. And the only way is to style your hair. Curls or waves or straight is your choice, but try all 3 hairstyles and try to find out which one suits you the most. Styling your hair is a key point when opting for an open hair. It enhances appearance, it manages frizz and flyaways, and it adds volume and texture. Number 5, confidence is key. The most important thing is to feel good and confident with your open hair. Wear it with pride. Try to practice it in less social situations, like when you are alone, and take it little by little. Remember that practice makes perfect. As you gain more experience, you can experiment with different kinds of hairstyles and hair care routines to find out what works best for you. And to recap the whole process, this is how you have your open hair as a pure beginner. Cut your hair, find your hairstyle, use a hair product, style your hair, and you're good to go. And you can also learn so much more by watching this video over here.